Okay, this is a grade 12 Euclidean geometry problem, and I'm just going to start by getting my head around the problem. We know in triangle ABC that XY is parallel to AC, and that MN is parallel to BC. So I am already thinking of the proportion theorem, which says that in a triangle, a segment parallel to one side in the triangle cuts the other sides proportionally. That is called the proportion theorem. That's going to be helpful here. We're told that AN is to NC as 3 is to 2, which could be written as AN over NC equals 3 over 2 if we want to write it as a proportion. And we're also told that BY is equal to 2YC. In other words, BY is twice as big as YC, so we could write that as a proportion if we would like to. That way. Okay, we're looking for AM. So what piece will be helpful here is looking at triangle ABC and the segment MN that is parallel to BC. So we know that the sides will be in proportion. The other two sides, AB and AC, will be cut in proportion. So we were told that AN is to NC is 3 is to 2, so we could call that, say, 3x and 2x. And we know that the AB will also be in the same proportion, so we could call that, say, 3y and 2y. We don't use the same variable because they'll probably be different lengths. But we were also told in this problem that AB is equal to 15. So 3y plus 2y is equal to 15. 5y is equal to 15. So y is 3. That isn't what we're looking for. We're looking for AM. But we knew that that was 3y. So 3 times 3 is 9. So AM would be equal to 9. 3/5 of 15 is another way to think of it. And the other part of this problem has to do with another parallel. So same big triangle ABC, but instead we'll look at XY as the parallel side because we're interested in finding XB. That's our segment of interest. We're told that BY is equal to 2YC, so we could write that as 2x and x, and therefore XB would be 2y and y if we have different variables there. And again, we know that AB was equal to 15, so we could say 2y plus y is equal to 15. 3y is 15. Y is 5 in this part of the problem, and since we know XB was equal to 2y, we know that will equal 2 times 5, which is 10. This is not the only way to do the problem, but it works nicely.